Set, and welcome to 27101 Via Oviedo in the wonderful city of Mission Viejo. You're going to love this house. Let me tell you why I like it. First of all, it's a prime location right across the street from a sprawling park. It's single story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. You're going to love that. And plus, it's gorgeous inside. I just love this house. Let's go take a look inside. So you saw a glimpse of the inside. If you like it, come by this weekend. We're having an open house Saturday from 12 to 4, serving tacos and margaritas, and welcome to your new dream home. Take care. Be safe.